If your to-do list looks like a tangled web, you're an automation superstar in training. Let's untangle it with N8N. Here's how to set it up for free. Ready to self-host N8N and automate like a pro? First, pick your server. Use your own computer or grab a free cloud option like Google Cloud. Next, install Docker. Just follow the guide for your system. Once that's done, pull the N8N Docker image with docker pull n8 neo/n8n. To launch N8N, run docker run d, name N8NP 5678, 5678, vn8n_data-home/node/.n8n8 neo/n8n. Now open your browser and head to http://your_server_IP 5678. Follow the setup steps, make an admin account, and you're in. Want to try N8N locally? Install node.js and npm, then run npm install gn8n. Start it up with N8N start and visit http://localhost 5678. For security, set up a firewall and SSL. Remember to back up your data, keep N8N updated, and join the N8N community if you need help. Ready to automate?